In previous video we have seen how to solve this problem. Create a binary search tree using following data. So data is given, these numbers are given, we have to arrange them following the rules of BST, binary search tree, and we have followed these 7 steps, and finally we got this as a binary search tree after step number 7. Now the next part is to do the traverser of this. So mostly in exam also it is asked to create a binary search tree on a given data and find in order traverser. So we'll see the in order traverser on the this generated tree. So this is the same tree. Now in order traverser, the short key for this is LBR. So for a node, go to left, then visit the node, and then go to the right. So we'll start with the root node, this is 43. So L of 43, so that is the left of 43. Is it there? Yes, so left is there, so go to the left. Then this is the node 10, so left of 10. Okay, so left of 10, is it there? So left is not there, so left is not there. Visit of 10, visit of 10 means we'll print 10 at the output. So 10 is printed, so visit is complete. Then right, so right is there, so go to the right. So 12 is there, so is there is a left of 12? Yes, left is there, so go to the left. So 11, is it left there? Left is not there, so visit 11. So 11, visit is complete. Then right is not there, so it is done. Now right is not there, go up. So this was left of 12. Now visit 12. So 12 visit means printing 12. Okay, so visit is complete. Now right of 12, right is not there, so right is complete, so go up. So this was right of 10, so it is complete. Now go up. This was left of 43, which is complete, so L is now crossed. Now 43 is a number which we have to visit, so visit means adding at the output. So 43, visit is complete. Now next is right. Right is there? Yes, so right will go to the right. So 79 is there, so is left is there? Yes, left is there, so go to the left of 79. So 54, left is not there, so visit means printing, so we'll print here 54. Okay, then visit is complete, right is not there, so go up. So this was left of 79, which is complete. Now visit 79, visit means printing 79 at the output. So visit is complete. Is it right there? Right is there, yes, go to the right. So at right 90 is there, so for 90 left is not there, so visit 90 means printing 90 at the output, and visit is complete. Finally right of 90, so nothing is there, so go up. So this is right of 79, which is now complete, so go up, which is the node 43 is a root, and this was the right of 43, so this is now cut. So all LBR we have written, we have cut through. So finally we got a in order traverser of this tree, which is nothing but the sorted list. This is nothing but the sorted list. So remember this, for a binary search tree, if you find an in order traverser, it must be in a sorted list format, that is the smallest to highest. So 10, 11, 12, 43, 54, 79, 90. So they are in increasing order. So if you don't get the in order in increasing order, means it is a mistake. So this is an increasing order of the binary search tree, so it is in order. So the key is here LVR, and we got this output. Deletion on BST. There are 3 cases. Case 1, delete a node with 0 children. So a node is there and without any, that is a leaf node, so we can delete it directly without having any condition. If the node is having 0 children, means it is a leaf. Just need to delete the node which has no further children, right or left. Okay, so simply delete it. Case 2, delete a node with a 1 child. So okay, now we have to delete a node which is having a single child. So how to do that? Once you delete the node with a single child, simply connect its child with a parent of node deleted. So जिसको delete करना है उसको उसका child attach कर देना है. case 3, delete a node which having 2 children. ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन है. 2 चिल्ड्रन है एक नोड के, तो उसको कैसे डिलीट करना है. नीड टू डिलीट द नोड विथ 2 चिल्ड्रन एंड रिप्लेस इट विथ इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर ऑफ अ नोड. सो यहाँ पे इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर क्या है हम देखेंगे. So this is the case 1, delete a node with 0 children, that is a leaf node. So here this is a tree in a blue color. So this is arrow showing the result after the deletion. So 19 is to be deleted, so it is having a no children, so directly cut this 90 and cut the link which is connecting to 90. So this part will be deleted and this will be the tree, and see here 19 is not there, so simply delete the node and delete the link also. So this is a tree after deleting 19. This is a case 2. The case 2, delete a node with a single child. So here we want to delete this node 9 which is having a single child as 10. So for deleting 9, simply delete this 9 and connect the child of 9 with its parent. So parent is 7, so we'll connect like this, we'll connect it to the child. So now these links are broken and the 7 has a child as 10, and this is the tree after deleting a 9 which is a node with a single child. Third case, which is a delete a node having 2 children. So that is a difficult case. Here node 12 is to be deleted and it is having a 2 children, that is a 7 and 19. So for deleting this 12 we have to replace it either by 7 or 19. So who will replace this 12, 7 or 19? It will be decided by the in order successor of the 12. So for finding in order successor, we'll do what? We'll find the in order of the tree. So for this tree, find the in order. So in order is nothing but increasing orders of number. So if you find the in order of this, that is a writing LVR all over and finding the in order traversal. So we'll get this traversal 5, 7, 9, 10, 12 and 19. Now node 12 is to be deleted. So in order successor of 12 is nothing but the next number after 12. So after 12 here comes the 19. So when 12 is deleted from this tree, it will be replaced by the 19. So here you can see the result. Now delete 12 and in place of 12 19 will go here and this will be the final tree. Next operation on a binary search tree is the searching. Searching means finding or locating some specific element or a node within a given binary search tree. So this is the algorithm. Compare the element to be searched with the root element of the tree. If the item matches the root, then return that value. If it doesn't matches, step 3, otherwise check if that item is less than the root. If so, then move to the left subtree. अगर root से छोटा है तो go to the left, else if it is greater than root, go to the right subtree, and continuously repeat this process recursively till you find a match. If the number or item you are finding is not present in the tree, finally you either will return null or you will find it recursively through the nodes.